and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into today's video, I just want to go ahead and give a shout out to my first 4 commenters on my last video. A big shout out goes out to Susie's Nail Cues, Tracy's Nail World 5709, Just Nailed It, and Berry Q Nails. Thank you so very much to those of you that have been my A1 day ones, and of course to my new commenters, subscribers, and watchers. You guys are the absolute bomb.com, and I truly appreciate all of the love and support that you guys give me day in and day out, video after video. So you guys are honestly the real MVPs, and I hope that you guys enjoy today's video as well. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. This is the Katie Cat Nails channel, and I do a lot of different stuff nails. I'm interested in nail art and acrylic. I'm really into acrylic and just all different types of stuff now. Like I do stamping now. I'm learning to work with gel now. Experimenting with non-stick. I'm doing a whole lot of cool things now. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, definitely stick around. Learn with me, see what I am getting into with my nail stuff. But for today, we're going to be doing a birthday gift. So my birthday just passed in the middle of September, and my friend Susie from Susie's Nail Cues was nice enough to snag me some goodies for my birthday. So thank you so very much, Susie. I truly appreciate you going out of your way and getting me something for my birthday. Before we get into like the birthday gift, she also sent me a set of these cool graffiti water decals from Nail Sugar, and these are like were given to her as like a gift, and I guess she had already like a freebie, and the little one is like, "Mom, stop working." So yeah, today we are definitely going to be calling it quits early. I haven't really been feeling well, and I've just been trying to get so much done. So I'm just like, the cold is just not going away. But we're going to get through some of the smaller things and just kind of get them up on YouTube. That way I can schedule them out. But yeah, so this was a freebie for her with one of her orders. I like a little thank you gift for ordering. So I think that that's super cute. I like that she does that. Okay, so Susie got me the After Dark nail art bundle from Nail Sugar, and I kind of know what the things look like from like seeing them on her Facebook page, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look at them in person, which is always super exciting. I know, right? So I'm gonna save this bag. I save all of my little bags like this. All right, so with this artistic collection, you get some silver leaf. Oh, and this is like the really soft, fluffy stuff. So this is the really, yeah, you can hear that little crinkle. I don't know if you could hear that soft crinkle, but that's the good stuff. I like when it's nice and soft, and it's going to be easy to break up on the nail. So that's really cool. I guess I could just keep it in the little baggie just in case. Okay. All right, I'm pretty sure that these are the decals, and these are the glitters. So I'm going to save the glitters for last. And I think this little the envelope and the tissue paper is a really cute, like, it's like a nice subtle touch. The tan really goes well with like the purple, and it's just a cute little way of packaging. Okay, yes, I'm excited. Okay, so these are the Galaxy water decals that she just came out with. This is the part of the After Dark. I think it's the After Dark. I am so sorry. I put the thing back in, but how cool are they? I really, really wanted these. This was like the thing that I wanted the most was these decals. But these are really cool too. I really like the ones that have like the moon and the clouds. These are really cute, soft images. Really, really pretty. The mixes of the stars is what I'm liking. Like, there's a lot of 4-pointed stars, but you're not getting like the same design repeated over and over and over again. Like, each one of these is different. And then of course down at the bottom, these are like smaller ones, but you don't really get repetition, which I really, really like that, because that gives you a lot more options on one card of decals, and I don't use them that often, so this is probably going to last me a good amount of time. So I really, really like that about her decal collections. And I apologize for my voice today if it's a little rough. Again, not really feeling that great. Okay, so this is the moment I am waiting for. Oops. I really thought I was going to be able to save that tissue paper. Maybe I can save some of it. There we go. Eek, I'm so excited. Oh, there it is. Bam. So this collection has 3 glitters. Okay. So this one here that's giving like MTV's 90s Moon Man vibes is called Moonwalk. And yeah, that is giving like 90s TV intro outro vibes. Like, I am all the way here for it. Like, yes, these glitters, I saw them and I was absolutely awestruck. This is so cute. Like, literally it's giving like 90s intro outro. So cool. And like the late 80s, like the late 80s. For sure. Late 80s, early 90s. That's so cool. Okay, so that one's Moonwalk, right? And then that's what it looks like out of the flash. Still, like, just as friggin' sparkly. This is the one I'm super excited for because it comes right in time for Halloween. This is a beautiful mix of black, gold, and it looks like auburn glitter as well as purple. And this is so pretty. Like, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to do some acrylic nails with this glitter. It is going to sit so beautifully with some of the embeds that I have. So again, this one was called Nightscape. And thank you again so much, Susie. These are amazing. Absolutely amazing. I truly appreciate it. This is so cool. This glitter is like, it reminds me of one of those sand projects that you can make at like the carnivals with the different colors of sand. Yeah, super pretty. All right, and the last one is called Interstellar. All right, we got some hexes. We got some super small stars. We got some circles. We got some like medium stars. We got a huge hexie in there. So there's probably some other huge hexies. This reminded me, off the bat, it reminded me of the aliens from Toy Story. So this is really cool. I don't know what, yeah, I don't know. It was just giving like Andy's room / the pizza place. Really another super cool glitter. So that's friggin' awesome to have. So it's these 3 glitters. Okay, that's what's in this collection. It's these 3 glitters. And it's Interstellar, Moonwalk, and Nightscape. You get the metallic leaf, and this is the good stuff. I want to make a point of that. This is the good stuff. It's that nice soft stuff that kind of like not like disintegrates, but it separates on the nail when you're applying it with other product very nicely. My favorite type of type of like metallic leaf like this. And then the collection also comes with this set of stickers, decals, sorry, water decals. And it also comes with this set of water decals. And then Susie also did send me over these, so that's really cool of her. Again, thank you so much. Go ahead and check out Nail Sugar. I will do my best. I gotta get better about linking companies' socials that I buy from, or that I receive from, or, you know, that I use from. Yeah, I gotta sort my description box out. Yeah. Thank you so much to Susie. Definitely check out her channel. It's Susie's Nail Cues on YouTube. I'll go ahead and link her down below in the description box as well. So I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, evening, whatever it is that you're having. I hope that you're safe. To everybody that is in, I don't know if this video will post before or after, but I hope that everybody down south in Florida is safe. Yeah, back to back. I can't even imagine, you guys. I hope everyone's okay. That's all. I got family down there and stuff too. It's just crazy how that just came back to back like that. But please be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I hope that you'll join me for future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did enjoy today's video. Go check out my my main page, see what else I got going on. You can also find me on Instagram at katiecatnils_did_that. I post not only some stuff that I post here on YouTube, but I also post other art and collabs that I participate on Instagram only. Those don't typically make it to a video, so you can definitely check out some different content there. And I'm also on TikTok at katiecatnails. I'm trying to figure my way around TikTok, but hey, if you want to go ahead and hit that up, show support there as well, I would truly appreciate it. So thank you so very much if you made it to the end of this video. Drop me a purple heart. Have a wonderful rest of your day or evening, and please be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I hope that you'll join me for future videos.